Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute. For today, I'm going to show you how I changed B1's hair from this color to the color on the insert. So it's a pretty easy step-by-step video of how to dye your hair or how to color your hair. That is Becky. And my name is Mary. If you're new here, endeavor to subscribe. There's something for everyone. Go through my playlist and find what tickles your fancy. So here I am just parting the hair into 4 sections to enable me work my way through it. She has a lot of hair, by the way, and applying dye or coloring your hair is much like applying relaxer on your hair. And she does have virgin hair. So a little backstory: she has actually always wanted to have ginger colored hair. So she first of all bought a wig which was ginger colored. She said she wanted to know how it looked on her, and if she liked it, she was going to summon the courage to color her hair ginger. Actually, the color on the pack is called amber. So yeah, that happened. And she has been trying to color her hair, or she has always wanted to color her hair for years. I'm talking about like back in undergrad days. And well, we're doing it now. She was nervous, and well, yeah, that's what we're doing. So I am basically just parting the hair into 4 sections and weaving it in to allow me work my way through, like I said. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay guys, so at this point she was happy with the color, but was not exactly the color we wanted. Remember, we were supposed to bleach the hair first before applying the dye. So this is the dye that we're using, and it's supposed to give us the ginger color that we want. So we didn't lift the hair too much, we just lifted it to this level because she doesn't want the hair to be too bright. So the more you lift, the more color it's able to accept. So this was just the right level for what we were going at. So at this point she was happy. The nervousness had left her, and she liked what she was seeing at this point. So I'm just mixing the cream to the liquid of the cream the dye. Oh my god, I'm speaking rubbish. So I showed the name of this dye that I was using. It's in color amber, and I'm just mixing it together. You were supposed to pour the cream into the liquid into the bottle and just apply it directly on the hair. So that's what I'm doing here. I just thought to speak rather than write it over the screen. So at this point I had emptied the contents of the coloring content on the hair. So this is what it was. I was just going to, or I'm just trying to work it into the hair. I told you from the beginning of the video that coloring your hair is similar to applying relaxer on your hair. So I'm just trying to comb the hair so it really works into the cuticle of the hair, the follicle, the hair follicles. I don't know what I'm speaking at this point, but you get the gist. So that's what I'm doing, and then you can see that the color has changed from what it was. It was way brighter than this, and this is what it is right now. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I've gone through the hair. Okay, so we washed off the dye after a couple of minutes, and this is what the result is. Thank you for watching, and drop your comments, and if you have any questions as well, and I'll answer in the comment section. Bye.